Alright, welcome back, you guys. We got Deep Ocean coming out right now. This is on the Natural History Pack 2. Fabulous job by Magic Pixel. Amazing job. Look at this table, you guys. This table is beautiful, gorgeous. Popping with colors, popping with sound. Magic Pixel never disappoints on their tables. They do an excellent job. And one thing I love about Magic Pixel tables is that lines perfectly up. A lot of attention to detail on their part. Magic Pixel. This is on the Legends Pinball 4K. This can be purchased through the AtGames store. I got it for $25. It is a regular price of $35. And this table is absolutely gorgeous. I'm a huge fisherman. Love to do fishing, love to be out there in the outdoors around the water. So this table is right up my alley. Nice DMD back there, beautiful back glass. Let's go ahead and check out Deep Ocean on the Natural History Pack 2. Let's get it going. Alright, here we go. Deep Ocean on the Natural History Pack 2. Let's get it going. Absolutely gorgeous table. Got some good music to it, sounds like.
Bumper reward.
So it looks like we got a couple different play fields up here. We got looks like 4 play fields. So I got the one I'm playing in now. We got one up to the right with those 2 sharks up there. We got one right here in the middle, and then my big play field. So that makes a total of 4. You got these sucker fish too right over here. They lay down on these ramps, and you got to hit them. I think like 2 times, and then they kind of hover up, so that way your ball goes right past them after that. A little bit of a challenge on that.
Lock is lit.
All right, now we're in the middle play field. Oh, shortly lived.
Bonus times 2.
Let's see if we can get back in that play field, that middle one. I want to get in there.
Bumper reward.
There we go. Let's see what we can do up in here. Oh, not much. That's hard. You got little ship taking it up there to the next play field. That's kind of cool.
Shark reward.
Ooh, shark reward. Caught a lot of sharks in my days. Mainly on accident when we're fishing for other
Shark
things.
combo. All fish is lit.
All fish is lit, huh?
Ball save is lit.
Oh no! Got the ball saved.
Ball is saved. Do not move. Bumper reward. times 4.
No! Oh, he got me. All right, last ball. Here we go. Only 28 mil. Gonna have to be practicing on this table. I think guys are already up to, I don't know, like 500 mil. Might even be more than that. Guys and/or girls.
Bonus times 2.
Dang, right down the middle. Super, super fun table. Super fun table. This is Deep Ocean. This is on the Natural History Pack 2. Check this one out. It's $25 right now. It will go up to $35 because it is on sale right now. Go get it. Even if you don't have the Legends Pinball 4K yet, or you're thinking about getting it, you might as well just jump on that table pack. I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. You're going to enjoy it once you do get your Legends. And if you already have a Legends Pinball 4K, then you should already own this table pack, because you're missing out if you don't. It plays great. It looks great. Magic Pixel does a great job on their tables. Thanks you guys for watching. Drop the thumbs up. Check out the other videos if you're interested in what the other tables look like. I do have them on my channel, so check them out. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a good one.